Welcome back, House fans. I'm here with Brandon Bonta once again. Today, we're doing budget bowling. We each have a $250 budget. Let's see how we spent it. Standing on 17. Hook.
Welcome to North Rock.
I'm definitely having to take a little slower approach. We got the 69.95 Dexter Wyomings. And then for the bowling ball, I got the Crypto Boom, which currently is on sale at buddysproshop.com for $124.95. And then I got this chamois as well, buddysproshop.com, $12.95. I went for entry-level shoes, a mid-performance ball that was on sale, someone who's just getting into bowling. You don't need to spend a lot of money. Mid-performance ball and affordable pair of shoes. I would say shoes are very underrated. A lot of people get a ball before they get shoes. I would always get shoes because it'll automatically save you money when you go to the desk. Oh, wow.
Right.
I could not do what you're doing.
Easy.
I'm just saying.
So, what I went with is Cubic AMF house shoes. I went with the high performance line when it came to my bowling ball. So I spent all of my budget on the 900 Global Eternity Pi. Probably not the best way to spend $250 if you are just starting out in the league, but it's the way I went.
We definitely went with opposite strategies. I wanted a chamois, I wanted some tape. He's all about that bowling ball. Do high performance balls strike more?
We'll find out today.
That ball's quick. That's what I get for having an on sale bowling ball. It only gives me 8. I bet that full price would have given me 10. I didn't think for a second that I missed it. I'm a big proponent of the plastic ball, but I mean, I do understand it's an extra like $100, so.
Come on.
Today is day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway, and today we are giving away a signed chamois. We'll be shipping it out to one of the winners. Again, if you guys do want to be entered, you have to be a subscriber of the channel, so if you haven't already, click that subscribe button down below, and you have to fill out the link down below in the description so we can get your email and reach out to you if you are the winner. And as for yesterday's winner, bing, 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 bing. Congratulations to whoever you are, because we filmed this 2 weeks earlier. I was on 17, let's move to 19.
No, sir.
Lena. I'm trying to slide, and I think the last 2 shots I've thrown slower because I've tried to push off and I've just lost my balance a little bit. As a high performance bowler who uses high performance shoes usually have like a tacky opposite foot, so when you push off, you actually get some grip. Not these puppies.
Doesn't P. Weber wear shoes like that though?
I think he still wears like those original
the Storm ones, right?
bowling shoes where they both slide, but it's like he floats up there. It's the Muggsy jeans. He's got that maple moxie, as they say, even though now we bowl on synthetics all the time. Hook. Yeah. Yep.
Make it. Okay.
Whew. All right, let me try and throw this one a little harder. Just a little bit.
Feeling it.
I feel like I got good reaction in comparison to yesterday's video.
Very much so, way better.
I feel like I know what's going on, that's for sure.
Maybe it's because you don't have to play 6th arrow.
I think that's it. I think it's because I don't have to launch my ball over the gutter cap. Oh! Hello!
It's like they say in Remember the Titans, left side, strong side.
Left side! Strong side! Left side! Strong side!
I agree. Push! Left side, strong side. Let's go.
He's dialed.
It's the shoes, I'm telling you. Spent $70 on a pair of shoes, $125 on a ball, $12 on a chamois, a couple bucks on tape. I mean, you're still up technically, so. Yeah, your ball does look good going through the pins.
Exactly.
If I wore house shoes, no shot.
That's why we spend max budget on the bowling ball.
Oh,
maximum performance.
ball. Oh, I slipped. I tried to throw it fast again and I felt myself just like, I should have spent $250 on a pair of shoes, no money on a bowling ball. Talk about a strategy.
Oh.
You know who uses the red heel? Zach Rhodes. Fast ball speed, keep your feet underneath you. I should have spent that money on a bowling ball. Golly. I just feel like that's wrong. It says the 7-10 split is the hardest split in bowling, and it's referred to as bed posts, snake eyes, or fence posts. I've heard none of those things. I gotta move again. I just have to move. If I move a little bit, I'll strike. I can't afford to throw it that good and miss. He's striking way too much.
Shim!
Oh my God.
Why didn't it hit this? Why didn't it hit?
I would have lost my mind.
That's such a bad hit. It should have knocked both of them over. Planting is not for me, I'll tell you that.
Every once in a while, you'll go to a tournament where the approaches are so tacky that you have to plant.
Oh.
And then I feel like that following week is a full reset of my physical game. All right, I'm only down like 20 here. There's a good chance that I win this game. The current odds, maybe 40%.
Too much continuation. That one's gonna hurt.
Not that much. I max at 230, you max at 240, but you can't miss and I can't miss.
Exactly.
I need to strike. That's what needs to happen.
I would just hope we make spare. Don't 8-pin again.
8-pin?
That'd be tragic.
Not me. I don't even know what that is.
Oh! These are big ones here.
Yes! Good luck here on this 9 frame.
All right. Come on.
Oh boy. Oh my God, how's that not 8-pin again?
I slipped in my 4th step that time. That was weird.
In your 4th step?
Yeah. When you need the other shoe to stick so you can slide, no, you slip in that step.
I need the next 2. Starting with this.
Butter.
That was huge. Big time. That forces him to get the first one. This one forces him to get the second one. Oh, so bad.
Ooh. Oh my God. Just gotta block it out. How much did you fan that one, 1 to 10?
That was inside by about a foot, and I missed it off my hand by about 100 revs, and I rotated it about an extra 40 degrees. And that's how you strike.
If you miss the right way.
This one's not, I mean, this one's kind of important. If I strike here, you need a double. If I don't, then you could go like strike 9 spare for a tie. I bowled a good game. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. These Wyomings have treated me well. I might even say that this is a winning pair of shoes. What would you say, Brandon?
Come on, house shoes, don't fail me now. That's unfortunate. That is so unfortunate. It's still wiggling.
That's tough.
Such a tough.
With the messenger across the deck too. Thank you guys for watching Challenger Brandon Bonta. This time came up just a little bit short on our budget bowling video on a $250 budget. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you would have spent your $250 budget on. And thank you for watching all the way to the end. Until the next one, peace.